Open house Thursday, June 13th, 5-7 perfect country setting for this well-maintained historic farmhouse. Home sits on an acre of land, on paved street with fiber optic internet and only 5 minutes to I-94. Home features newer vinyl siding, soffit, fascia, metal roof, replacement windows, and updated decks and porches. Enjoy sitting out on the deck and watching the deer and turkey in the fields and woods around the home. As you enter the home, you are greeted with character and charm. Original hardwood floors grace much of the main floor. Original unpainted trim, built-ins, and doors make this home a unique find. All of the charm and character of being 120+ years old has been maintained. Home offers great flow with large eat-in kitchen, huge dining area open to living room and den. The den offers door-to-back deck that entices you to sit and watch nature in the fields and enjoy the peaceful country setting. Main floor also features a full bath. Upstairs you will find 3 good-sized bedrooms and full bath with laundry on the upper level. The home has a Michigan basement, great for storage.